illiterate. Like, if you know you're not good at hair stuff,
one big twist, one big twist, one big twist, one big twist, and then I'm going to twist up and around. Y'all got it? Up and around.
oh my gosh, if your hair is brittle and breaking, here's something you should know. Hey y'all, it's Tay Walker for the girls, and I'm back here to give y'all another hair tutorial of this style right here because I did it. That style was lit. Go look at my videos on Instagram. My Instagram is Tay Walker. Please like them if you like what you see. Follow me on TikTok and Facebook also. But stick around to get a small little hair tutorial on how to get this style. Y'all know I like to keep it short and to the point. So I recently retwist my hair. Like maybe has it been a month yet? I don't even think it's been a month yet. But we know that I put growth oil, the growth oil that you can find in my prettylocs.shop website to make your locks grow faster. So even after a retwist, y'all can get up in here and see that the new growth be coming. The style that I'm doing, if you want to mimic this style, you're gonna start by sectioning off the part that you want to be your bang. It's gonna be my bang. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. This is gonna be my bang, so I'm gonna go ahead and section it off. I'm very careful to not get that line right. I'm content with this. This is gonna be my bang. The rest of it, I'm putting in a ponytail, but I'm just gonna tie this to get it out of the way. I like my locks to be moisturized, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some water and then put some conditioner and oil on top of it and then pull it up in the bun. Right. Give me a second to get my spray bottle. Get your hair nice and saturated. I mean, spray your hair until it is semi-damp in order to get it able to be able to manipulate the way you need to manipulate it. Y'all know what I mean. Saturate that hair. Spray that hair. Spray that hair for the girls. After I saturate my hair, I still use the lock method, so I go ahead and condition it, and then I add coconut oil. I make sure to get from my roots all the way down to my to the ends of my locks because I like to make sure. After you have moisturized your locks, whichever way you moisturize your locks, you're gonna go ahead and put it up in a high ponytail. Go ahead and put your hair up in a high ponytail. This is where I'm going to position my ponytail. I like my ponytails really high. My hair is so long now, I literally have to flip my head over to get my hair in a ponytail. I'm trying not to cut it because I wanted to see how long it can get before I cut it. I'm going to give it a like maybe 2 or 3 more years and then I might cut it. Your hair so long, I don't think they realize that long hair take work. Like, you know what? All hair take work. Because when I had short hair, that took work. So let me not just say long hair all hair take work. I ain't gonna even lie. I feel like my short hair, I couldn't get away with just doing ponytail. I actually had to do it. I think I had short hair all of 3 months, and then I put some. I don't even think I made it 3 months. Put some weave in it. I was like, oh no, this is not for me. Because who's going to be doing all of this? But I'm not going to lie. Lately, I've been seeing some short hairstyles that I really want to try. Been natural since 2009. Now that we got our hair in our ponytail, it's too easy. That would be too easy for me to do it the right way. We have our hair in our high ponytail. We could literally leave the ponytail like this, but I literally don't want the hair touching because I don't want to be hot. So I'm going to go ahead and do like a top knot bun. The way I do my top knot bun is I twist. I literally just twist, wrap around all of this. Again, flipping the hair over, wrap it around, and then grab some more hair, grab another section of hair, and twist some more. I just keep twisting. almost to like create a donut effect, right? Just twisting. I don't know what it is. I love me a top knot bun. It's one of them things that I don't know if it's out of style or not, but I love it. So I'm gonna continue to wear it. When you find something that you feel like is a look for you, you don't have to switch it to appease who? We ain't appeasing nobody around here but ourselves. Bun probably not gonna be perfect. My bun is never perfect, which is, I'm okay with that. Long as it don't look crazy, I'm okay with it not being perfect. I'll take this bun. This bun not bad. Guess what? I did all that work and don't even have my scrunchie on. My son found one. And now, back to what we was doing. Twisting this around. I don't even think I'm gonna need this scrunchie. I'm not. There we go. Okay, bun. Bunny. Look like a double bun. Yeah, I like that. And we don't need no scrunchie. But what we do need, because my hair, so it likes to revert back to curly, like back to its natural state. Go ahead and use some handy dandy. I'm gonna go ahead and use setting lotion to get rid of the frizz. If you were doing this on freshly twisted hair, you wouldn't even be concerned with frizz. But my hair is not freshly twisted, so that's what I'm concerned with, the frizz. What? Let me find one of my bun. Go under the bang. There we go. Tie my bun. There we go. Wrapped. All wrapped. Alright, so now we just gotta do what's gonna be our bang, essentially. This part easy. My hair is kind of long, so for me, all I'm gonna do is section it off like how it's sectioned off now, like this. Section it off like this. And then I'm gonna put some, y'all know I gotta moisturize my hair. Put some water on it. This is actually water and almond oil and it's rose water. Sorry, it's not rose water. It's distilled water, almond oil, sweet almond oil, and honey. I'm just doing water, and I know it already got oil in it, but I can't help but add a little bit more oil. So I'm just put some coconut oil too. Oh my gosh, if your hair is brittle and breaking, here's something you should know. Don't use coconut oil in your hair, because coconut oil is like a protein, and it's only going to make your hair stronger. You know, it's going to make it more brittle and break more. But anyways, when you're doing this, your bang, you're just going to twist all the way down. Twist, or as far down as however long you want your bang to be, right? Me, I don't like my bang in my lashes, so I'm gonna stop right here because this is how long I want it to be. And then from here, I'm gonna put a rubber band, because this is where I want it to stop at. I don't even think you really gotta put a rubber band. I ain't gonna put no rubber band. You ain't gotta put no rubber band. So that's where I want to. I'm gonna take my hand, my finger, to kind of create like a loop, and then I'm gonna twist this hair in the opposite direction, going up, like twist. I feel like I'm making it more complicated than what it has to be, and I don't want to do that. So on the next one, because I already started this one, I'm gonna make it easier for y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna twist this around in the opposite direction, like that, going up. Does that make sense? No? I need to explain it better. And there you go. See? See how cute that is? Now this is where you might want to use your rubber band, and where I'm going to use the rubber band to like just close off that end where I got it twisted at. There go my little first part of my bang. See? Alright, and we're going to keep doing that to however many you want. I think I'm only going to do 6. So, it's already sprayed. Y'all know how I feel about my coconut oil. Now, to use a little bit of coconut oil. And then we're going to twist it down as long as we want it to be. Now, my kids in the background arguing. They get on my nerves, bro, with all that arguing. I hate arguing. Like, I don't like conflict. I can't explain it enough, but I don't like conflict. Okay, if you know you're not good at twists, this is as long as I want it to be. Like right here. So I stop there. Here, I'm going to tell you, instead of like doing a 2-strand twist, hold it and then just twist this, like, just twist. The opposite direction though, right? The opposite direction. I feel like I'm explaining it so bad. I hope y'all get it. You just twisting it the opposite direction and just twist up. Twist up. Going up your what's essentially gonna be your bang, right? I'm so sorry. Why am I sucking at explaining? Oh, and I call myself a teacher. Like that. Actually, not gonna lie, I like this way better than this way. But either way, y'all catch my drift. Let me explain it a couple more times differently. And I know y'all probably like, oh, she explained it a lot, but I swear I'm explaining it in so many different ways because I want y'all, if y'all like this style, I want y'all to be able to do it. Okay, so with this one, you're just gonna, the basis of it is you're twisting down, right? You're twisting down like this, right? Like a 2-strand twist. You're twisting down and you're stopping it however long or short you want your bang to be, right? I want this one to stop here, not past my eyebrows, because my eyebrows be giving. So I want it to stop right there. And from here, I'm gonna hold this piece and then I'm going to twist this in like one big twist. 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 And then I'm going to twist up and around. Y'all got it? Up and around. Up and around. As I'm twisting up and around, I'm scooting down, just like pushing what I just twisted down a little bit, just to make it tighter, you know? Twist up and around and push down. You're making it tighter. There. That's it. For the road. For the girls that I didn't explain it good enough for. Because I don't want to leave y'all hanging. If you're not hair literate, like if you know you're not good at hair stuff, what you do is you twist it down, right? To your desired length. I'm going to say right there is my desired length. Then you're going to take a rubber band. Take your rubber band. Put your rubber band right there, right? So it'll hold it in place, right? Your rubber band gonna hold it in place right here. Once you put your rubber band right here, this gonna be loose. Then you're going to twist down again. Like you're gonna keep twisting down, right? So you're gonna take from where your rubber band at. You're gonna take from where your rubber band at. Now let's say your rubber band. What we put our rubber band? What we wanted to stop at my eyebrow, right? About right here. And then you ain't gotta worry about this coming loose or nothing because it's twisted with a rubber band. Your rubber band holding it in place. You're gonna just twist up and around in the opposite direction. You don't even gotta worry about doing it in the opposite direction because your rubber band got it in place. You're gonna twist it there and then you're gonna put another rubber band on the end so it don't come loose. And that's all, and that's it. Explain, it's all the same thing. Just, I don't know, I hope you caught one of the ways, and I hope you're able to do this style because it's easy and it's cute and it's simple. And that's our bang. That's our cute little bang. I'm gonna put a hairpin here, so my hair stay like that. Because I don't want it to move or shift or fall when I put it down. I'm going to take my hairpin and I'm going to pin from under to keep it here. So you want a closed pin like that. And you're going to pin the other side opposite way because you want this to stay in place. Yep. So let me get dressed, get myself together, and then I'm going to come back and y'all going to see the final look. Alright, so I went ahead and kept it as simple as possible. I just put on like a little romper because I'm just going to run errands. But y'all know my rule of thumb. You gotta look like somebody love you. I don't care what you're going to do. Make sure you look like somebody love you. Put on my little necklace, my diamond, my cubic zirconiac earrings, and this is what the look look like. It's a look. It's cute. Super cute. But that's it. I told y'all it was gonna be simple, easy, and to the point. I want you guys to go have an amazing week. Make it the best week yet. And no matter what you do, make sure you look like somebody love you, because